Welcome to Virginia Family Dentistry's Midlothian location at 14001 Charter Park Drive, near Route 288. This office brings general dentists and dental specialists together under one roof, so patients with complex needs receive coordinated care in one place. Our general dentists offer cosmetic dentistry, sedation dentistry, dental implants, and wisdom teeth removal. Patients needing a periodontist for gum health or an endodontist for root canal therapy can be seen within the same building in rooms built specifically for these specialties. Orthodontic patients will be comfortable in our dedicated orthodontic suite designed for both children and adults. Along with traditional metal braces, we offer Invisalign and Smile Up clear aligners, and the initial consultation is always free. To learn more about Virginia Family Dentistry, Midlothian, or to schedule an appointment, visit vadentist.com.